Just a guy in tech here, and this is the Wyze Cam Pan. For those of you who do not know what this is, it's a security camera made by a company called Wyze and which retails for just $30. So you may be wondering if a $30 security camera is actually any good. Let me tell you this security camera is packed with tons of amazing features like 1080p HD video, 360-degree rotation, night vision, Google and Alexa integration, motion and sound detection, and so much more. So in today's video, I'll tell you how to set up this Wyze Cam Pan, and I'll also go over all the features that this camera has to offer, and hopefully by the end of this video, it'll help you decide if this is the security camera you're looking for. The Wyze Cam Pan works in sync with the Wyze app, which is compatible on any phone running Android 5 and above and iOS 8 and above. So before we dive into the setup and the features, let's see what do we get in the Wyze Cam Pan box. The Wyze Cam Pan comes in this white box with a picture of the camera up front and the list of all the features on the side. Once you open it, you'll be able to find the quick start guide, which gives you an overview of the whole camera and also has instructions on how to set it up, which I'll get back to in a bit. You also get a power plug along with the USB-A to micro USB cable to plug into the camera, which also means you don't need a battery to power the camera. Last but obviously the most important, you have the camera itself. The Wyze Cam Pan has a white rectangular body design with a black circular camera on the top half, and you also find the light sensor and the status light symbol on the bottom. The overall design is compact and sleek, and I really like it. On the back you can find the charging port on the bottom and an USB port at the center. The base part of the Cam Pan hosts the micro SD card slot for storage, a setup button to set it up, and a microphone. Yeah, the Wyze Cam Pan has a speaker and a microphone that supports two-way audio. You can also find a Q20 mount in the bottom, which you can use to mount the Cam Pan onto a mounting kit. Setting up the Cam Pan is very easy. First, you got to install the Wyze app on your phone. You can find it either in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, create an account. Once you're done with that, connect the camera to a power outlet and wait for 15 seconds until you see the yellow status light flashing. Once you see that, press the setup button, which you can find on the base of the camera, for 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. Then all you got to do is follow the instructions on the Wyze app, like scanning a QR code to set it up. There are different light indications to indicate the status of the camera. For example, a flashing yellow means it is ready to connect, whereas the solid blue means it is connected and the setup is done. The Wyze Cam Pan uses a 1x2.7-inch 2-megapixel camera sensor, which can tilt any way for up to 93 degrees within the black bezel. The camera can capture 1080p video covering over a wide 120-degree field of view. The Cam Pan can rotate 360 degrees, which means you can view any part of the room. The camera rotates at a speed of 110 degrees per second, so within 3 seconds you can view the whole room. You also have an 8x zoom on the camera, so if you want to focus on a particular part of the room, you can do that. Video recording in daylight is very sharp with good contrast and looks really good. The Cam Pan is also equipped with 6 infrared LEDs that ensure you even have night vision on this security camera. The infrared night vision ensures that you get a good exposure video even in a very dark room, or to put it in simple words, you'll be able to recognize a human face in case of any break-in at the night in a very dark room for up to 30 feet. Although the night vision is less detailed in terms of video when compared to the daylight video, it is really good for a $30 camera. To view a live stream, open the Wyze app and on the home screen tap on the camera stream you want to view. Once the video is loaded, you can watch the live stream. You can record video or take pictures from the live stream directly. You can also set up detection zones on the Cam Pan. What this means is you can define a specific area in the field of view, and the Wyze Cam Pan focuses only on that particular specific area to detect motion. Detection zones are really helpful when you have set up the camera outside the house and you want to exclude areas like roads, sidewalks, and only focus on watching the doorway. You also have 2 different types of motion detection features in the Wyze Cam Pan. One is motion tagging and the other is pan scan. So what happens in motion tagging is, if the Wyze Cam Pan detects a motion, it shows a green box around what's moving and keeps following that as long as it is in its 360-degree view. If there are multiple objects moving around in its field of view, then the motion tagging feature of the Cam Pan frames or detects the largest moving object. The only down point in the motion tagging feature is, for this to work, the initial or the trigger motion should happen in its field of view. If it happens behind the camera, it won't be able to follow the motion. The other type of motion detection is called pan scan. Pan scan allows the Wyze Cam Pan to scan up to 4 different custom waypoints or 4 different areas automatically. At each waypoint, it will pause for 10 seconds before moving on to the next waypoint, and it will keep continuing to do so until it is turned off. By default, the Wyze Cam Pan has 4 waypoints that are 90 degrees apart from each other so that it can cover the whole room, but you can set your own custom waypoints under the pan scan settings on the Wyze app on your phone. The low point of the pan scan is when it changes from one waypoint to the other, the video gets blurred, but you can overcome this by changing or reducing the speed of the rotation. When the Wyze Cam Pan is triggered by a motion or sound, it will automatically record a 12-second video and upload it to the cloud. The video which is uploaded to the cloud will be available for 14 days as Wyze offers free 14 days rolling cloud storage, so you can access the video from the cloud to see what happened. You can also choose to turn off or turn on motion detection and sound detection within the app, and also create a schedule to automatically turn on motion and sound detection. You can also enable and disable push notifications. Wyze Cam Pan also has 2 special sound detection options. It will automatically record a video and send push notification when it hears a smoke alarm or a CO alarm. You can also adjust the sensitivity for motion and sound detection by moving the sliders from low to high in the detection settings if you don't want to be constantly bugged with notifications regarding a sound detection. Also, once the Cam Pan records a 12-second video, it doesn't record anything for the next 5 seconds. So if you want continuous recording during motion detection events, then you will have to use a micro SD card. The Wyze Cam Pan is really impressive, and I'm actually surprised that it offers so much for just $30. The video and the audio quality is great. The 360-degree complete rotation and 93-degree camera tilt with motion detection is really helpful to monitor the whole area. 14 days of free rolling cloud storage and its compatibility with Google Home, Alexa and IFTTT really make you feel you have got everything you have been looking for. The motion detection might not be perfect, but with regular over-the-air updates, there is always a scope for constant improvement. One of the features that was added with an over-the-air update was person detection. The only thing I wish it had was a web portal to access everything from a computer. Right now, all the power lies only in the mobile app. Otherwise, this has to be one of the best budget-friendly security camera you can get right now. So if you're in the market for a security camera, do check out the Wyze Cam Pan. So that's it guys, those are all the features that this Wyze Cam Pan has to offer. Do let me know down in the comments what is your favorite security camera or what is your favorite feature in this particular security camera. I really hope this video helps you decide if this security camera is right for you. Also guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All the links related to this video will be down in the description. Most importantly, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Peace.